Welcome! In front of me I have WITHINGS Pulse HR, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this smartband on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your smartband. Before we start, if you want to receive the phone notifications from your iPhone on your band needs to be paired with your iPhone via the WITHINGS HealthMate application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the WITHINGS application and your iPhone to send the notifications to the smartband. So first, let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, find the option called Bluetooth and tap on it. In the Bluetooth menu, you should see a list called My Devices, and on this list you should see your Pulse HR 39 right here on the list. And once you see it, tap on the info icon next to it, and here make sure that the share system notifications option is enabled. Once this option is enabled, go back to the main page of settings, scroll down to the list of applications. On the list of applications, find the WITHINGS app, tap on it, and here make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled, and you can also enable the notifications if you want to, or the option called Allow Notifications, but it's not required. And once you're done, you can close the settings, open the WITHINGS application on your iPhone, and once you open the app, you should see the home screen. Now tap on the devices, and you should see your Pulse HR right here. Find the option called Notifications, tap on it. By default, the notifications may be disabled right here, so tap on the switch to enable the notifications, and then you can scroll through the list of applications on your iPhone and enable or disable the notifications for the specific app. So basically, if the notifications are enabled for this app, you get the notifications from this app on your iPhone. They will be forwarded to your smartband. If it is disabled, they will not be forwarded to your smartband. You will only see them on your iPhone. That's how it works. Okay, so find the app you want to receive the notifications from on your iPhone, or on this list right here. And once you enable the notifications for the specific apps, you should be able to receive them. I'm looking for Discord, but I don't see it for some reason, which is weird. But maybe we need to refresh the list. No, I don't know why I don't see Discord. Maybe we need to receive the notification first from Discord for it to appear on the list. So let's try getting a notification on our smartband. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. Okay, as you can see, we got it on our iPhone, and I think we also got it on our smartband, but I'm not quite sure. No, we didn't. But let's open the WITHINGS app now and refresh the notification page, and now the Discord appeared. Okay, so basically first you need to receive the notification from the app on your iPhone for it to appear on this list. And once it appears, you can enable the notification, and now we should be able to get the notification on our band. So I'm gonna send the message again, and as you can see, we got it on our iPhone and also on our band. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for the smartband on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.